At the weekly briefing by the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 on Monday, the Minister of Health warned against complacency as the country witnessed some decline in infection rates. Even at that, records with the Health Ministry shows that 520 new cases and 5 fatalities were recorded between Sunday, February the 14th and Monday, February the 15th, when the task force briefed the nation.
Decline in other countries that you see today are not necessarily attributable to vaccines, but still to better compliance with public health measures. Under no condition must we let down our guard as we continue to implement our four-pronged strategy of infection mitigation with strict implementation.
President Buhari signed the 2021 Coronavirus Disease Health Protection Regulations on January 21st this year. The document intends to make enforcement of the non-pharmaceutical measures more stringent, with the aim of reducing the rate of infections. Even though the security agencies are compelled to enforce the regulations, the level of compliance in most states in the north is very low. From Kogi State in the north central to Zamfara in the northwest, most residents do not comply with the safety protocols in public places. In Kaduna, Taraba and Zamfara states, the level of adherence to COVID-19 safety protocols is relatively high in schools and offices, but it is a far cry in the streets and marketplaces.
Every teacher that is coming in, whether teacher or student, must be checked with the infrared thermometer, must put on his face mask.
Health officials in some of the states say the government must march words with action and scale up enforcement.
So in as long as there is one state that is not doing the right thing, that will affect the generality of the response. So to me, the federal government should actually declare an emergency, a public health response emergency, which they did, but it should be in practice. You can see what is happening in other countries, even to the extent of deploying military to make sure that there is adequate response.
Part 5 of the 2021 Coronavirus Disease Health Protection Regulations puts enforcement squarely on the police force, the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, as well as the Immigration Service. The total number of cases in Nigeria, as at last Sunday ago, stands 146,928 and 1,761 fatalities. These are real statistics that shows that the country is not out of the woods yet.